E.
E is a digraph. Letter E, one single letter E makes this short vowel sound eh. When two E's come together, they make a long vowel sound E.
A. E. Coffee.
Coffee. In coffee, double letters make one sound. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in coffee, but only 4 sounds.
A. E. Coffee. Stir. Eat. Street.
Str is a consonant blend. In this consonant blend str, we can hear st and sounds clearly, whereas digraphs are 2 letters and 1 new sound. Street. A big
Grr. E. Green.
Here also digraphs are underlined and colored with blue so that children can identify them. A big green
E. Tree.
tree. A big green tree. Children will be able to read it on their own, but if they have doubt, they can take help.
A big green tree.
Lots of
Bees. Bees.
lots of bees on the tree.
Tree.
Now listen.
Lots of bees on the tree.
What are you waiting for? Download the UptoSix Phonics Plus app today.